So, hello everyone. This is our second lecture of this series of a Prepinsata, which is I started in my YouTube channel. So I already give you a second question, where you want to check the entire number is a even or odd. So I hope that you all are already solved it. If it is not possible, so I give the code of the second question in my description box. So must be check it. So don't be fear about it if it is not possible to you done by you. So don't be fear it. This is our learning journey. So just fine and enjoy this next lecture. So in this lecture, we are solved find the sum of first and natural numbers using Java. So you all know about that are natural numbers. Natural numbers is also a positive number, firstly thing, and not included zero. There's a not included zero. So it is started from a one, right? Suppose there's a question, how can we coded it? So there's a 2 points. Firstly, you all always learn your logic is all time clear. Firstly, do that. Your logic is, if your logic is clear, then you are implemented in code so easily, right? Understand? So in this lecture, we are understand how can we solve the problem. So here, suppose we want to find out a natural number sum. We find out and 5 natural number sum. So our values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because natural numbers is always start is from a 1. So right. So here we took a 1 plus 2 equal to 3, right? We all time track our sums value. So we took our sums value, and this 3 is from in this and natural number. So right, this is our sums value, and this is this value. So right, our sums value now is 6, right? We took this previous sums value is now 6, and we took it, this 4 is from we add in our previous sums value. So currently our sums value is 10, right? We took here our sums value is 10, right? And we took this 5 is from here, and we add this. So now our sums value is 15, and this is our first 5 and natural number sum, right? So what is our logical? We all time want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We all time track that. So in this case, what we are doing, we took a one for loop and increment with the 1. We took that, right? Firstly, if we took a for loop, so our ice value 1, then we increment 1. So our ice value 2, then 3, then 4, and where we want to sum n natural number. So we initialize the we take to the condition here. So this is our logical. What going on there are backend. So we all time track the sums value. So here we took one variable. We took one variable sum. We took one variable sum. We took the variable sum, right? And we initialize is from a 0, right? Is from 0. Because we want to track our previous sums value. So that's why we took here a variable with what the name we put here a sums, right? So here we initialize our for loop with it is start from a 1, because natural number is always start is from a 1, and we give a condition. We the for loop is all time check when it is increment. It is all time check that our iterator value is less than or equal to our sums value. If it is true, then it's going in our for loop, right? Or if it is false, so it is print the sum value. This is so simple logic, right? So here, firstly, our ith value is 1. Firstly, our ith value is 1, right? And our sums value, now it is check the condition if I is less than or equal to n. So now our nth value, suppose our nth value is 5, right? Our nth value is 5, right? Our nth value is 5. So it is check I is less than or equal to 5. It is true, and it is going on there, right? It is add sum, mean currently sum value is 0, right? Currently sum value is 0. We initialize the sum value is from a 0, right? Or we add a i's value. What is our i's value? Our i's value is 1. So our sums value is 1, right? Now it is increment with this I, right? It is increment. So our i's value currently is 2, right? And it is check the condition, right? It is goes on check the condition 2 is less than or equal to 5. It is true or false? It is true, right? It is true, and it is goes on this line. This is executed in this line because this our condition is true, right? So this is add on there, right? So what is our sum value? Our sum value is 1, right? What is our sum value is 1. 1 plus What is our ith value? Our ith value 2. So now our sums value is 3, right? Now it is goes on there. Now it is goes on there, right? Now it is goes and increment with the 1. So now our ith value is 3. Now it is check. 3 is less than or equal to 5. It is true. Now it is execute the code. Now it is execute the code, right? Now it is execute the code. And now what is our sums value? Our sums value is 3. Currently our sums value is 3. 3 plus 3 equal to what is currently our sums value is? Now our sums value is 6. So go, it is basically goes on this criteria. When the sums value is 5, when our ith value is 5, right? When the ith value 5, it is comes and check it is true, and it is goes on a in for loop, right? When I increment and ith value, now it is 6. Now ith value is 6. Suppose now ith value is 6. It is check the condition. I is less than or equal to 5. I is this less than or equal to 5. No, it is not true. It is not less than or equal to 5. So now it is print the sum, right? Now it is print the sum. So this is basically our logic. Now we are implement in our code, right? So thank you so much, all of you guys, to so I hope you all are understand what is logic we are implement on here. So I already created my file with the name of a sum of natural number.java, right? So here I implemented my number with in is from a 5 is 5. So right here I initialize my one another variable sum. Why I am taking this variable? Because I want to store my sum. I want to store my sum in all time, track the value. So right, that's why I am initialize a sum. So here I take a one iterator. I want to one loop which is all time giving me. So here I initialize my iterator with is from a 1, and it is goes is from a n, right? It is goes from n, right? And I want to increment with the 1 because I want the all value sum, right? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So that's why I initialize and I increment my I with the 1, right? So here what is our logic? I want to store my sum. I want to store my sum's value in sum, right? I want to track my previous sum value in all time. That's why I'm taking here sum. What is I want? Because I always increment with the 1. So here always in here always comes a value 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So that's why I'm taking here a I, right? Understand what I'm saying? Right. So this is basically our logic, right? When the loop is end, when the condition is false, when like our what is we are initialize here, we are initialize here the n value 5, right? When the n value is going with the increment of I equal n equal to 6, right? So what is gone in here? It is check 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, it is false. Then it's a comes out in the loops, right? And it is print a value of sum, right? So I hope you all are understand what I'm doing here. If you not understand the logic, so please don't be skip the video, right? I know that the videos go so lengthy, but don't be don't be your mind is so mess up. Don't be do this because the video is if it is goes on length because I want to I want to I want to that's why I want you are understand the basic things in here. So don't be fear, right? The sum of natural numbers is what is where is it? It is stored. It is stored in a sum. So that is our logic, right? So we are run our code. Now we are run our code. So what's on going on, right? What is comes? We are also know that what is come 5 plus 4. That's so right. So some value is 5. Can we check the answer? Can we check the answer? We want to 5. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. Now we add these values. 5 plus 4, 9, right? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 and 3, 12. 12 or 2, 14. 14 or 1, 15. Right? So we check our answer. This is true. So I hope you all are enjoy this video and understand the logic what I am doing here. If you don't, there's some confusion. So please don't be skip it and check my all videos. Right. So thank you so much. I hope your journey is goes so amazing with me. And I want to create another content and amazing content with for you. So thank you so much. Keep support me and like please like me because it goes me so motivation to create a new content to you. So thank you so much all of you guys.